the people around me, are we getting along? And that again could be my responsibility to ensure that I'm able to tag with the people I work with. Because generally, most of workplaces, one does not work alone.
Yes.
And again, the employer has a responsibility. How well adjusted are the employees that are working? And that's why we have people like human resource managers. I guess part of their job is to check on the human resource. Are people performing? If they are not, what is the problem? Is there one of us who is out of the race? If they are, why are they out of the circle?
You've asked a very good question, and at this point it will remain rhetoric at this point. Now let me take you back to the 1 out of 4 of every Kenyan is seeking, particular mental health services, You're a counselor yourself. When you have a sit down with these persons who are seeking help, what is their main core issue? What are they struggling with?
Regina, life is getting harder. Things are not getting easier. The social problems that we have affect families, affect individuals in the long run. That means people will be affected by what happens, even the political climate of any given country. Let's take, for example, our own country. We love it, Kenya. That instability, that fear, the anxiety of what happens tomorrow. Is salary coming or not? Is my family going to have enough to feed on or not? Are my children going to school or not? Do I have the fees and all that? Now, these are social problems that narrow down to the individual. And therefore, problems increase because we are able to assimilate what happens in our own environment. So when the environment is a bit scaring, it's a bit threatening, it's not too assuring, and we cannot be sure of tomorrow or the next minute, then we are likely to absorb that, and that emotionally will get into our heads